Hello. So today I'm going to show you how to use Octopus for Twitter data scraping. So first thing what you're going to do is type Octopus free download on Google. After that, click on this URL. So after clicking this, you will reach on a window where they'll be showing the two versions of Octopus. So download this 8.2 beta version. It's currently their updated one. So after downloading, the software will look something like this. To extract data from Twitter, so type there twitter.com/octopus and start. So after you click start, you will get something like this. So now what we are going to do is that select on this blank space and loop click single element. So after clicking this, what we are going to do is that we are going to extract the data from the tweets. So we are going to select tweets. So to select select the tweets, click on the topmost left corner. Select the second one. The Octopus is a smart software, so it automatically selects all the tweets. Now what we are going to do is that extract text of selected element. So after doing this, we won't get the tweets in segregated manner. To do this, we are going to segregate the tweets and it will be like this. So first we want handlers information, extract, then date, extract, then the tweet content, then again extract. Then we also want the comments, retweet and likes. So after doing this, don't forget to remove the field. Okay, then select OK. Now click on paginate. So here we are going to keep Ajax time at 5 seconds and after page loaded, so here repeats 2 and time 2 seconds. So we are doing this to ensure that the Octopus loads the tweet successfully and it doesn't miss out any critical information. And then select OK. Again we are going to click on pagination. So here exit loop and repeat 20. Here the bot repeats scrolling for 20 times. Okay. So after doing all this, our extraction setup is almost ready. So next what we are going to do is we are going to run the software. So here you will get two options. You can either run it on your device or run it in your cloud. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run it on my device. So as you can see, the extraction process is already started. So this might take couple of minutes. Yes, it's started. Yes, our data is almost extracted and I have downloaded in Excel sheet. So this is how after downloading the data looks like. So we have successfully extracted the data from Twitter